Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to split screen on Android device. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So it's pretty simple to split a screen on Android. Now remember, the setting might be different on different Android, but the steps are just same to any Android. So for this, you can click on the button which you use to switch between apps, which is at like the bottom left corner, you know, the square thingy over here. So just click on it. So right now 2 apps are open. So to split screen, you can basically do is, in some mobile you have to hold on the app and it's gonna show you split screen, but in Oppo or in my phone I just have to drag it down and it's gonna show me unlock or split screen over here, as you guys can see. So I want split screen, so I'm gonna click on split screen. So the half screen is split on Twitter, and the other half I can open whichever app I want. So I'm gonna go on music if I want to open music like this. And to close split screen is really simple. As you guys can see, the green line at the middle, the color might be different for different phone. Just click on it and drag it down or drag it up, like whichever window you want to open. So if I want to open Twitter, then I'm gonna drag it down like this, and the split screen is stopped. So yeah, that's basically how you split screen on Android device. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe, notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day. And before leaving, I'm going to tell you the phone I'm using right now is Oppo. So yeah, just in case.